Fine Dining at Home from chef and author Bernard A. MAYER is the recipe book that can turn anyone into a master chef in the kitchen, whether you are a beginner or an experienced cook. Prepare nice meals for your family and friends on holidays or special occasions with nutritious and exciting dishes that will enlighten your guests. Having great recipes to prepare can come in handy to surprise a friend with a special gift, to share with relatives at a family function, to bring to a potluck, or to treat a special person for their birthday. Delicious food is the gift everyone loves, and with Chef Bernard's help, you will impress family and friends with your culinary skills. Available online at Amazon.com and Xlibris.com.